Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Chainlink.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and yeah, we'll be going through Chainlink. This is not financial advice, and we'll be talking about why Chainlink is a big oracle in cryptocurrency and why it is going to do very well within this bull cycle.
But before we get into that video, please may I say, press this red subscribe button, as only 5.6% of you that watch our videos are actually subscribed, and we're really close to 200 subscribers, and that's our goal. So we'd really appreciate it if you could press subscribe. Thank you. So first things first, by looking at the Coinmarketcap, you'll see the price of $21 and a $9 billion market cap. So I just want to run you through what happened on the dip and how much more money needs to flow in, how much volume we need to be back up to that all-time high and possibly break that all-time high. The highest market cap it was at the all-time high was $14 billion, just under, I think it was 13.9 around there. Meaning we need another $5 billion for Chainlink to be back to where it was, which was $52. So currently we are 60% down. But if you still look in if you expand, you'll still see the amount, like how much profit we're still in. So if we go through the past, this is what we need to do. As you can see, $7.70 was that in September 2020. That was not long ago, and we are at $21 right now. All you need to do is zoom out. We are still in a heaps of profit for Chainlink. So if you're looking to buy Chainlink, I recommend you watch till the end of the video before you think about buying it, and then do further research as well. But if you are thinking about buying it, the best place, as I always say, would be Binance or KuCoin. One of those two are my favorite exchanges to buy coins from. They're the best fees, and they have the most volume all the time compared to all these other ones.
As we can see from the big dip that happened, you, as we can see from the big dip that happened, Chainlink dropped over almost 60%, so which is very, very crazy. It is at a crazy discount right now, okay? Because we don't ever want to be buying at a premium around $50, $45. We want to be buying at around discount area, which is around $20, $25, which is what we have right now. And there's a reason why Chainlink is one of the most important cryptocurrencies and why it is a big oracle within the eco space. So on the website, it says connect your smart contract to add to the outside world. So Chainlink's decentralized oracle network provides reliable and tamper-proof inputs and outputs for complex smart contracts on any blockchain. Okay, so for any blockchain there is available at the moment, which is something that any crypto cannot basically live without. Celsius, Aave, Synthetics, ENS, and all these big exchanges, they need Chainlink to operate within them exchanges. And as you know, Aave is a big cryptocurrency, and Synthetics and Celsius also good for staking your stable coins or your passive income. They're all very good cryptocurrencies exchanges for that, and they're all decentralized. And so is Chainlink. So yeah, Chainlink is one of the cryptocurrencies that everyone basically needs, and yeah, it's just one of them cryptos that in the future will be used by many different cryptos, and yeah, it's definitely something to look forward to. So as we can see here, Chainlink's 2.0 is always been postponed for some reason, so we're just waiting for extra detail. And as we can see here, there's an oracle that's coming out within Chainlink's network. It's kind of like a beta, so a test net for Chainlink, which is perfect. And as you've seen, many other cryptocurrencies such as DAO Maker is also linked with Strong. And if you want to learn more about Strong, we've got that in our YouTube channel, so you can click on the link in the description. So yeah, DAO Maker is linked with many cryptocurrencies, and it's also going to be using Chainlink's network in order to make it more of a Oracle blockchain, which is what everyone wants. And it's all about fees nowadays. Okay, so Chainlink will also help with that, and also help with many easy transactions and very quick transactions as well.
So something new they've also recently announced, beginning of June, is the Smart Contract Summit. So they've now opened the registration for the Smart Contract Summit for Chainlink. If we have a look at it, so obviously it's all free here. So it's bringing together basically all developers. So as it says here, developers, Web 3.0 entrepreneurs, node operators, researchers, enterprises, and community members across the DeFi space and broad smart contract ecosystem. So anyone who's basically in the crypto space that is um, really doing something for it, basically. So what the SmartCom one will do is it will offer 3 full days of virtual keynote speeches, panel discussions, live demos, developer workshops, and community networking. And session topics include the innovation of hybrid smart contracts and decentralized Oracle networks, how advances in cross-chain communication are changing DeFi, scaling security in a multi-trillion-dollar industry, the path to enterprise blockchain adoption, new use cases for off-chain data and computation. Researchers and engineers from Chainlink Labs will also provide insight into the progress of Chainlink 2.0. So basically, it will be helping Chainlink 2.0 become a thing and make it even better.
Yeah. So as we can see, Chainlink, I would give it a nice 9 out of 10 because it is a cryptocurrency that everyone needs and is very underrated since it's had this dip. Okay, so now it's at $21. Instead of buying it at $53 at the all-time high, you're getting it almost 60% off. Okay, so this is amazing shopping, amazing cheap sales for everyone to get involved in. Everyone that missed out finally can get involved. Okay, and yeah, 9 out of 10, and yeah, that's what I'll give it.
So this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press this red subscribe button, like the video, and yeah, thank you. Have a lovely rest of the day.